I'm Eric Herlin, CEO of Xer Technologies. We're a Swiss aerospace technology company developing next-generation hybrid electric drones designed for reliable performance in tough missions. Our flagship X8 platform combines long endurance, heavy payload capacity, and resilience in demanding conditions. At the core of Xer Technology are our UAV platforms, which we design and manufacture entirely in-house, from propulsion and electronics to software and payload integration. The X8 delivers up to 2.5 hours flight time with a 3 kilogram payload and can lift up to 7 kilograms. The platform supports more than 20 payloads, from optical and thermal cameras to gas detection, LiDAR, magnetometers, and defense-grade ISR and electronic warfare sensors. One aircraft becomes a multi-mission tool, reconfigured quickly with minimal logistics. Our mission is simple: replace helicopter operations where they're too costly, too risky, or too complex. Across 5 continents, clients use our system for power line inspection, methane detection, and infrastructure monitoring. In defense, our platform supports ISR, mine detection, maritime operations, and missions in GPS-denied environments. With growing adoption among European defense forces and NATO partners, our technology is becoming part of the shift towards autonomous, multi-role UAV systems. We're also developing the next generation: enhanced autonomy, expanded payloads, and longer flight times. Xer Technologies is ready to scale production, expand in defense and commercial markets, and continue building one of the world's most capable UAV platforms. Our vision is a safer, more efficient, and more sustainable world enabled by heavy-duty UAVs.